Doctors observe a new health issue amongst all the kids these days, and it is unfortunate that it is a simple yet deep one. So it is sleep resistance that we are finding in children these days, and kids hate sleeping, which is very common. Even we as adults have changed our lifestyles so much that kids are learning from us. Late night parties, watching TV so much, binge watching, and lots of unhealthier life habits, which is affecting. Now kids also don't want to sleep, they want to play all the time, jump around, talk, or watch something because they have fear of missing out all the time. And otherwise we have put them on a busy schedule. They are going early morning to school, coming late night after completing a lot of other activities as well that they go for. And let me just give you one example what is happening at my house. My 4-year-old child has to get into his school bus by 7:30, so he wakes up by 6 o'clock. My 9-year-old girl goes to karate and other classes early in the morning, so she has to wake up at 4:30. And we pick them up from my mom's home because we both work at around 7 o'clock. We reach home by 7:30, and now it's the family time. I think it is the case in almost all the house these days. So after that, we are eating, we are talking, we are planning for the next day, prepping up, and children are now jumping around. And we also need some peace. We also need some me time. So we'll either force children to go sleep and we will sit in front of the TV and watch, and then they'll slowly come out of the room and they will sit next to us and enjoy watching the TV. So this has become a unfortunate routine of people these days, and this is affecting children because their memory is gone for a toss, their health, immunity is going for a toss. And sleep is so important that even if you go to a doctor for any minor illness, they may give you a medication or not, they will tell you to rest well, they'll tell you to sleep well. It is that important. So in this video we are talking about benefits of sleep in detail, sleep resistance and how to overcome it, some simple tips. And yeah, so the video is going to be all about it. Do watch it till the end. Hey guys, welcome to Tots and Moms. My name is Kavitha, and today's video we are talking about sleep resistance, reason and tips to help our children sleep better. Sleep is very crucial for their overall development, and let us talk one-on-one on how it can benefit our children. At first, it helps in growth and development. Overall physical health, it is necessary because your children are growing, their organs are growing inside out, and it is definitely needed for their immune system to do well. Next is cognitive functioning. If they sleep well, if they are well rested, their memory power increases, their attention span can increase, and also their learning ability will increase. Third is emotional well-being. Now you may see most of the children are so hyper, they want to jump around, they are so curious, excited seeing something, they are either shouting on top of their voice or they are crying all the time. They are not able to do this emotional regulation, and there are a lot of behavior problems. So sleep can help them get better, get over these issues. Their physical health can also get better. Now if the child is sleeping well, the recovery is happening well, then they are on a good healthy weight. Obesity will never be an issue for such kids. And also chronic illnesses can be kept away. Their immunity also is going to be very good because again, more recovered their health is, their body is, the immunity works amazing, they are away from lots of illnesses. Then their school performance also can increase because when they are able to concentrate well, their attention span increases, their problem solving skills also increases. Obviously academic performance will increase. Their safety will also get better because you may have seen kids are so hyper these days, they are jumping around, they are hurting themselves because you see that they are not alert, they just jump and hurt themselves. Lots of injuries are being caused because of that. So they will calm down, and all these benefits will happen if they sleep well. We all know that our children will resist sleeping, as we do as well. Now, we have also grown up in a generation where we like these things, right? Being awake for a long time, we find pride. I didn't sleep. I sleep only for 2, 3 hours. Come on, I don't need so much. Children will watch us and learn than listen to us and learn. So let us bring in some change as a family, as a society, as a community, so that we see our children getting better each day. We have not gone very far from nature or those traditional habits which will help us grow up well. So let us definitely work on it. Very simple things. First one is ensure to set a bedtime routine. If we all know what time we have to get up, why don't we stress on what time we sleep? Now, if your child has to go to school at 5 o'clock, the child needs 8 hours of sleep minimum. 10 hours is amazing, but at least 8 hours, let's start from it. So work on that. Next is create a sleeping environment. It was a practice. As soon as sun went down, there used to be just one diya or a lamp which used to be in the whole house, and everyone used to sleep at 7 or 8 o'clock max. That was the nature's cycle. Nature tells you that you need rest, but now no, jagamaga lighting happens in the house. You have all that extraordinary flash lights and high power lights, white lights. Please bring on some dim lighting to your house and see the change by yourself. These are all things that brings us close to nature and brings upon a good health. And then digital age, it is difficult to switch on gadgets, but yes, we have to do it for our well-being. So before 1 hour of your sleep time, do that. Put off your mobile as well. We just can't be on our phone and tell our children to put off that cartoon which is running on the TV. So no loud music, no colorful appearances on the TV, on the big screen or on the tiny mobile. These things will actually strain your eyes, and actually there are so many studies that how they are pushing us to keep watching one over the other, and there is no end to binge watching when we get addicted to it. So let us set a time where we even stop watching anything on TV, and let's stress on physical activity. As a family, we all have to work on it. And for children especially, you want your child rank first, 95% and above, but what about their physical health? Are you inquiring in their school that they have one PT class every day? No, we are okay, but we want their 98%. See, what your child's school will offer is what you're demanding for. So as a community, let's bring in that change. Let us demand them that please put on that focus on sports and activities as well as equal to academics. So, a child who is engaged physically will grow well and sleep better. And at last, let's promote relaxation techniques. Yeah, meditation is amazing. And if you think it is a jargon, if you cannot practice it, then there are so many cultural, traditional, religious practices that we have that can be beneficial to us. Every religion, there is a prayer. You can sit down, calm, and do that prayer for a while. You can do that bhajan, slow songs, anything, be it Hindu, Muslim, Christian, Sikh. If anything I've missed out, every religion has it, right? Jewish, Zoroastrians. Yeah, where is it not there? Our ancestors knew how to respect nature, how to respect one's body, so that we both are in line. At last, let's remember, a healthy, happier child is what we need. We don't have to measure success with finance, percentage. So once we accept this, things will come into place. As I said, we have not gone too far from nature, but the last two generations have been suffering with a lot of ill effects that we can help our children overcome by doing simple things, by putting in a little effort, and let's minimize all that unhealthy things that we are doing. Let us better our lifestyle. Sleep is not just good for children, sleep is good for us as well. We are also on a very busy schedule. We also need that good sleep. Let us respect our body as well. As an adult, we I mean, after 30, 40, you know what all comes in. Okay, so I really hope that you liked this video. In case you did, comment and tell me which was your favorite tip or which is the problem that you see in your children. And we will try to bring in any professional next time on our Instagram page where we can have a live session talking about sleep and its benefits. And I have few video recommendations because on this channel I regularly make videos on kids health, women health, baby care videos, baby food recipes, kids snack box ideas, etc. So first one is 10 sleep tips for babies. Younger ones will have a lot of chronic health issues or colic issues, and they will struggle sleeping because even they are growing, they want attention. So how to overcome that naturally, I have spoken in that video. Monsoon is about to start, so I have a recommendation to watch soup recipes. Do check that as well for babies, kids. You can make it easily and give it to your children. And yeah, I am the founder of Tots and Moms Foods. It's an organic food store which caters to kids and adults equally. We have cereals, porridge mixes, instant mixes, nutrition boosters like dates powder, dry fruits powder. We have drink mixes made of dry fruits and jaggery, no sugar added, and higher percentage of dry fruits are being used in our drink mixes. Do check them. Millet and jaggery cookies made with dry fruits, ragi almond cookies, nuts and seeds cookies, sweet and savory cookies. So these are the ones which you can find there. And pancake mixes are a big hit on our store. So all these things you can find on totsandmoms.com. If not, Amazon, Flipkart, FirstCry, Big Basket, we are available here as well. And yes, thank you for watching the video till now. And I see that YouTube Analytics says there is only 4% subscription. It will really help me stay motivated in case you can click on that subscribe button. More the reach, better motivated me, and I will really give out good information. That's a promise. So please consider subscribing to my channel. And I'll see you soon in yet another video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye.